This is our Platinum range dual voltage automatic egg incubator. It's currently the state-of-the-art machine that we stock. We've got two models in the range. We've got a 56 egg that we have right here, and we also have a 70 egg. The standout feature on this machine is the automatic humidity control. We've got a humidity pump that can draw water very precisely and drip it as needed into the machine. With that we get very tight humidity control. It still has all the other features we are used to. It's got a day counter. We have automatic temperature control. We've got automatic turning and built-in LED in the lid of the machine. We are getting great hash rates out of these machines at the moment, and we are very happy to be able to offer it to you guys. It also comes with a dual voltage connection in case of load shedding that you can connect directly onto a battery. Let's dive into the controller of our new Platinum range machines. As you'll see here on the display, we've got four indications. We've got a temperature indication, then we've got a humidity indication, we've got a day counter, as well as a turning indication that tells us it's 116 minutes to the next turn. Okay, so we've got a little cheat sheet here on top explaining to us exactly what we need to do to operate the machine. So we've got the candling light over here. We can do an automatic water test by pressing once. Here we can slowly see the humidity pump turning. We can also do a test of the turning motor. We press and hold plus for 3 seconds, and we can see the eggs rotate there. We can set the temperature as well as the humidity. So if we press the set button once, we've got a chance to change the temperature, and then we can change the humidity as well. It's currently set at 55%. We at the day counter, we can't set the day that it's currently on. We can only set the entire period that the machine's gonna run for. So it's currently set to 21 days for chicken eggs, so we're just gonna leave it as is. We also have some air vents here. We've got 2 vents on either side that you can use to help control the humidity. If your humidity pump is running all the time and it's not getting to the desired humidity, you can close the vents. It's especially helpful during the last 3 days.